457B to Gold IRA Rollover Guide. A 457B to Gold IRA Rollover Guide can help you protect your retirement savings and diversify your investments. Many investors choose a Gold IRA to reduce the risks connected to stock market volatility and inflation. By rolling over funds from a 457B plan into a Gold IRA, you can keep your retirement savings in a tax-advantaged account while adding physical gold to your portfolio. A 457B retirement plan is commonly offered to government employees and some nonprofit workers. It allows tax-deferred contributions and long-term retirement growth. A Gold IRA works similarly but includes approved precious metals such as gold and silver. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Benefits of a 457B to Gold IRA Rollover. 1. Diversification. Gold helps diversify your retirement portfolio. Instead of relying only on stocks and bonds, you can add precious metals for better balance. 2. Inflation protection. Gold has historically held its value during inflation and economic uncertainty. Many investors use gold as a hedge against rising living costs. 3. Tax advantages. A direct rollover allows you to move funds from your 457B into a Gold IRA without immediate taxes or penalties. 4. Long-term security. Gold is often considered a stable asset during market downturns, helping investors protect retirement savings. Steps to complete the rollover. 1. Check eligibility. Make sure your 457B plan allows rollovers. 2. Choose a Gold IRA custodian. Select a reliable company that specializes in precious metals or IRAs. 3. Open a Gold IRA account. Complete the required paperwork for your new retirement account. 4. Transfer your funds. Request a direct rollover to avoid taxes and penalties. 5. Buy IRS-approved gold. Your custodian will help you purchase approved precious metals for the account. Important things to know: Gold IRAs may include storage and maintenance fees. Gold prices can fluctuate over time. Only certain precious metals qualify under IRS rules. This 457B to Gold IRA Rollover Guide explains how investors can move retirement savings into a Gold IRA for added diversification and protection. With proper planning, a Gold IRA can help strengthen your retirement strategy and provide more financial security for the future. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.